The long queues in the mall and shopping complexes are very common. It wastes your time as well as your patience. But more importantly, the matter of concern is that we are in a state of pandemic. So, due to which it is very mandatory to put on mask and be far away from other person by a distance of 2 meter. But due to some unavoidable reason, sometimes it is not possible to accomplish it. So our idea is based on that theme, that how to avoid queues in the mall. So hey guys, with the team Amigos, heartily welcome you to understand our smart queue management system. Actually, the mall is based on a fact to attract a huge population so that their sales and marketing can be increased in an exponential manner. But it cannot be suitable for some persons. Have you ever wondered that if it is possible that choosing a product, purchasing and billing occur at the same time in a trolley itself? Quite interesting, huh? That is our idea. Our idea is based on a fact that there will be a small QR code scanner in a trolley itself, and whenever you purchase a good, you just scan that product and the sum of a total pricing keep on adding up to the end of a product. The only hard work you need to do is to just carry a trolley full of product and to scan it with the help of smart QR code scanner. After you have purchased all the goods, now it's time to pay money or for billing. So for billing there will be a two mode for accepting money, either by online mode or by offline mode. So if you are choosing an online mode, then you need to pay a money and just move out. And if you are choosing a second one, then if you move to a cash counter, there will you see the change. You will see the change. What the change is, there will be only a limited amount of persons because the major work have been done by our smart QR code scanner. That's a very real, that's a very interesting thing. You are seeing that Mr. Bean have become quite smarter nowadays. He have already started using that smart QR code so that it cuts his time in an exponential manner. It saves his lot of time so that he have an extra time to spend with his study. So if someone, why don't we, if this interesting solution is implemented well, then the condition of billing counter and a queue will change from this to this. For accomplishing our task, we have used Python and some part of machine learning as well, so that our system will become quite smarter. So with that word, I end my session. So with heartily regard from Team Amigos, thank you.